Okay, y'all, it is September. And I don't know about y'all, but once school starts back and after Labor Day, I'm kind of like ready for fall. I've already started decorating, and when I think of fall, I think of pumpkin spice. And just because you're trying to watch what you eat doesn't mean that you can't have a little pumpkin spice in your life. So today I am going to make pumpkin spice chocolate chip muffins. They are very good, and they're not so bad for you because I'm using whole wheat, only brown sugar, so it's not a ton of sugar and it's not super sweet, so you don't feel like you're, just totally destroying your diet. But you also are able to get that pumpkin spice, that you need because you're ready for fall, and it's just time to let summer go. And so today, that's what we're going to make. I can't wait to show you the recipe. Here are the ingredients for our skinny pumpkin spice chocolate chip muffins. You'll need a non-fat Greek yogurt, a can of pumpkin, 2 eggs, 1 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, and this is the one I got, a 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and you will also need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate morsels. And these are the ingredients for the skinny pumpkin spice muffins with chocolate chips, chocolate morsels. Let's get started. As we start this recipe, you must do the liquid ingredients first in a separate bowl, and then you can do your dry ingredients in another bowl. And once you have them all together, you will add your wet ingredients to the dry ingredient bowl and mix all the ingredients together. And you do not want to mix your ingredients too much, because if you overmix, they will become dry. So I mixed it up as best I could, and I also forgot to put the pumpkin pie spice in, so I'm doing that now. I was like, wait a minute, I feel like I'm missing an ingredient.
But you just mix it as little as possible, and then you can fold in your chocolate morsels. So that way, and then you will stir some more, mix it a little bit more with the chocolate morsels. It also want to do the recipe called to use parchment baking cups. I didn't have that, and so it said if you had regular baking cups, you should spray it with cooking spray. So I sprayed each of the baking cups with cooking spray, and it said also to fill the cups up as much as possible because they don't rise as much as some muffins do. So that's what I did. I filled them up as much as possible, and after I sprayed it with cooking spray. And it said it's optional to add a little bit of more chocolate morsels on top. And of course, if it's an option, I'm going to add more chocolate on top. Alright, here they are, straight out of the oven. They look delicious. And I have to say, I've already tried one. And they are very good. The only thing I think I would change is I would add probably just a little bit more pumpkin pie spice. But they are moist. I was kind of surprised with using the whole wheat flour, but they are very moist, and the chocolate chips just add just a little bit of sugar to it because it's not as sweet because we're using the brown sugar. But I have to say, I've got my pumpkin spice in, and I'm happy about it. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. And so I decided to do a little packet for my friends. So I just put the muffins in a little bag with some ribbon and some shredded paper. I did one with a clear cellophane bag, and then I did another with pumpkins. I think I like the clear better. You can kind of see it better. And all I did was get some shredded paper and some clear cellophane bags and some twine. And it makes a great gift to give your friends and family.